If your hair always comes out like a blobbed mess, try this. So you want to find the center point. It's the place where the hair grows out from. You want to draw your person as if they had a buzz cut. Often on females, the middle center point or that middle line is often like a curve. Now that we've got our curve in, we want to think about all the hair spilling out from that center curve. So start to draw your hair spilling out from that center curve. And you want to think about finding overall shapes rather than getting lost in the detail. After you've got the overall shape, now you can go back in and add a few strands and parts of shading. You want to remember to follow that direction though, thinking about the hair spilling out along here. Let's just add some shading, and you can see how all the lines are going in one direction, and this is the point where you can add a few visual details to add some information and some depth to your hair. Now we can take that shape and we can start breaking up parts of that shape, and finally you can add a few rogue hair strands to make it look a bit more natural. Okay, so let's move on to male hair. There's not much of a difference, just that the hairstyle will be different. So draw a point. You can draw the overall shape as if this guy had a buzz cut, and now you want to draw the overall shape but think about hair spilling out from that center point. Now after you've got the overall shape, just add in those hair strands. So here on the center point, I'm actually just gonna put like a darker patch of hair to implicate the fact that it's all spilling out from that center. So to recap, whenever you start to approach drawing hair, think about that center point, think about the hair spilling out from that center point. You can add a few lines coming from the middle of that center point and from the edges of the hair curving back to that center point, and add a bit of shading to communicate hair spilling out from the middle.